The harder you squeeze, the more you lose. This explains why you can't find happiness no matter how hard you try. Alan Watts called this the backwards law. The more you chase happiness, the more miserable you become. Why? Because chasing comes from lack, and lack creates more lack. Try to sleep, you stay awake. Try to be confident, you feel more insecure. Chase love desperately, it runs away. The pursuit itself creates the problem. Here's what's happening. When you desperately want something, you're constantly reinforcing, I don't have this, I'm not enough. That emotional state becomes your identity. Taoism has a concept called Wu Wei, effortless action. Water doesn't try to flow, trees don't try to grow, your heart doesn't try to beat. They just do. That's the secret. Stop trying, start allowing. Here's what to practice. Hold everything loosely, not desperately. Love people without clinging to them. Pursue goals without strangling them. Want things without needing them for validation. Stop asking, what do I need to add to be happy? Start asking, what can I remove that's blocking my peace? You're not broken. You were never broken. The trying was the only problem. This week, notice when you're trying too hard. Breathe, soften your grip. Happiness isn't found. It's what remains when you stop running from yourself. Let go, not because you don't care, but because you care enough to stop suffocating what you love. Comment one thing you're holding more loosely today. Save this, you'll need it.